Good morning, what's up mga people? Ayun ay yes sir. January 10. Ayun. So may charity kami sa Santa Cruz yata yun. So ayun, naghihintay ako ngayon dito sa may tabi ng highway. Hinihintay ko si Ma'am Maricon kasi sa kanya ako sasakay. Aangkat ako sa kanya. Ako magdadrive pala sa motor niya kasi sasama siya sa charity. Ayun. So habang naghihintay shout out kay Ma'am Brain Freeze.
Gago!
Brain Freeze. Tangina. Ayun, shoutout sa'yo, ma'am. So, okay na lang. Wala akong masabi, puta.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen.
2,000 years later.
Yo, what's up? Nandito na yung iniintay ko. Ayan. Bilis niya. Mga 1,000 kilometers na. Hindi, joke lang. So, shout out kay Ma'am Maricon. Ayan. Sa kanya ako sasakay, guys. So, ewan ko kung saan dito na lang kami maghihintay. Hinihintay namin yung Power Riders. Shout out sa Power Riders sa Alfonso chapter. Ayun. Ride safe sa inyo, mga sir. Yo, what's up? Nandito kami ngayon sa Centrum San Ildefonso. Nagpapagas kami. Ayun, shout out kay Sir J.R. Tapu. Ayun. J Moto Vlog. Subscribe kayo sa kanyang channel. Ayun. So, shout out sa mga staff ng Centrum San Ildefonso. Ayun, so. Hello, what's up guys? Ayun, nandito na kami sa Petron Bantay. Nandito na yung Power San Ildefonso, ayun, pero ilan pa lang kami. 1, 2, si Regan, si Burog, si Manong Lester, si Ma'am Barbie at saka kanyang mister, ayun. So kami pa lang andito, ewan ko kung ano ba yung hihintay namin, sino pa, ayun. So, ayun, nandito na si Pari Dance. Ayun, nandun siya. So, shout out sa Power San Ildefonso, Power Riders San Ildefonso, ayun. Sa kanila tayo sasama. Nauna na yung XRCP, ayun, sa XRCP. Shoutout sa inyo mga Team Cabsat, ayun, mga sir, mga ma'am, ayun.
What's up?
Ayun, si Paring Dance.
Namin si Franklin.
Peace you. Ayun, guys. Yung mga, ibang rider, umalis na. Andito kanina yung, Team Taraki, shout out sa Team Taraki. Ayun. Ayun, nandito na rin si Otol Dave. Ayun. Shout out sa iyo, Otol Dave. Ayun. So, pa-take up na kami, guys. So, kita-kits na lang. Boos. So, ayun, guys. Pa-take up na kami. Ayun, so Papa G, pagabay po sa amin para walang ilayo mo po kami sa disgrasya at makauwi kami sa aming mga pamilya ng ligtas. Ayun, amen. What's up guys? Ayos, nandito na kami, Kapariaan, Santa Cruz. Ayun. Shout out kay paring Tororoy. So papunta na kami sa papunta na kami sa
wash out.
Papunta na kami doon sa event. So, shout out sir, shout out. Sir. Ayun, shout out sa mga marshals. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga sir. Wash out. Okay, yan. Papunta na kami doon sa mismong event. Nag-park lang kami. Jitolbe, May. Ayun, kala ko kasi naiwan yung susi. So, ayan guys, nandito na kami. So, ating kabsat. So, yun guys. So, ayan. Marami ng rider dito, guys. Shout out sa mga mga sir. Ayan. Ayan, ewan ko kung ano to.
Pas di helmet garot para di motor na.
Ay. Ayun oh, si Idol. Ilocano Explorer Channel. Ayun.
Alright, Sailor Motovlog. Okay, naaga pa sa atin. Sticker!
Ay, shout out.
Pasmado ko.
Pasmado. Shout out sa mga kasamahan natin. Ayun.
Sir, sipi mo ka.
Awanin. Ada pa lang ni.
Nakita na kan.
Senad! What's up? Yun. Yun. Si Senad, shout out. Sorry pala po si Kuya Nad. Ayan. Ito ang kanyang ano. Stage 2. Ayun, kakautan yung mga sir, mga ma'am.
Nakaplay, nakaplay.
Ay,
Takbo natin yung motor ni Sir. Nakasalpak sa di kon.
ayan. Shout out kay Sir Alex Go.
Hindi ko lang ito yung mga ano.
Gurko, tinapay ni Sir Alex, sir. Ayun, si idol natin na Sir Alex Go. Ayun,
Maraming salamat,
bro.
Maraming salamat, Ilocano Explorer.
Ayun.
Uy,
Babang Junking.
Collab ride na tayo, collab ride.
Kailan yan, sir? Kailan?
Locos Brothers. Ayun.
natin, kahit pupunta tayo ng Skyline, gano'n, collab ride.
Kami yung nalampasan mo kanina, sir, sa ano, sa Tiago.
Ah, well.
Mama ko, Ayun! sorry, Papa. Okay. Si Papang Jangking. Shout out. Tissue. Ayan, Let's Go Moto Vlog. Jangking TV. Ayun. Support kayo sa sa YouTube channel nila, guys. Nalaglagan ba ba?
Kaya bagambo lang talaga.
Shout out kay Doc Bag. Ayun.
Susunduin namin yun.
How slow.
Mga guys lang.
Ayun.
Ano natin, vloggers natin dito. Oh, yan lahat.
Ham slow. Shout out sa kanya. Ayun.
Sir, tigil lang dito sa Rosal Group. Yes, mga pare, hello mga pare. Hello po, welcome again. And email ako ng konting message from you, ma'am.
Kayo, subscribe na kayo sa YouTube channel niya. Maraming salamat na inasabi na rin sa mga motorcycle na mga kanya at yung mga rider niya at kung saan sa mga lugar pa sa Abra, sa Ilocos na
So, pinuhin niya, pinali pa tayo sa Ilocos, di ba? At si Sir Nash, bumakbak para lang maka-join sa atin, di ba? So, thank you, really thank you. And we appreciate everyone that came. Of course, siguro next time, makahabol kami sa inyo. Bibilis ko eh. Pagdating namin, nandito na kayo eh. But thank you guys. Thank you for a warm welcome. And hopefully, we can support you more. Sa mga tropa ko nandito ka na Chomfed, kay Sir Alex Go, at sa lahat pa, as you know, dati akong taga-bantay. Pero, well, hindi na ngayon. Then, soon, there'll be more motorcycle community. If there's anything, we really enjoy growing the group, no? Kasi, pare-pareho tayo ng passion. In the next 2 to 5 years, the motorcycle industry will be so big here. So that's why we're always here to support naman lahat mga riders natin. Thank you. Happy New Year!
Sir Nudge, very small message to us. Hey, Sir Michael. Idol, tapos ka na, di ba? Ulit. Okay. Let's welcome again Michael Boone.
Pasensya na. Si Sir Nudge. Ayaw kong palisin. Si Sir Nudge, matagal na kami magkakilala nito. Nasa Malabon pa lang ako gumagawa. Siya yung unang customer ko ng Airmax na nagpapagpura sa akin. Nalala ko yun. At siya din yung nagpapagpura sa akin. Kasi 1,000 niya, tinuturahan ko. Tapos, after noon yun, naging Airmax niya. Lagi na kayo magkakaibigan siguro. 5 years gano'n. Ulitin ulit, yung mga pups natin, mga rider dito sa Ilocos Sur at yung iba nakarating ang Norte siguro. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo palagi at syempre yung mga ride for a cause natin na palagi nandiyan kayo, tumutulong kayo sa mga nangangailangan, sa mga may sakit. Salute ako sa inyo mga pups at sana palagi kayong mag-iingat sa mga biyahe nyo. Takbong pogi lang at isipin nyo, nandyan yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay, naghihintay sa pagbalik nyo po sa inyong mga bahay. Salute sa inyo at maraming salamat sa pagtulong nyo sa mga kababayan natin na nangangailangan. Maraming salamat mga paps.
Yun, takbong pogi lang daw mga sir, ma'am. Yan, a small message from Sir Nudge Abdul. Let's give him our warm applause, mga ma'am, sir.
Good morning guys, actually sorry we were late because you know the fiscal he was sleeping Yeah, kasalanan niya na, hindi kasalanan ko. Oh, walang hangover, pero tulog siya. So, guys, thank you for coming. Actually, I want to meet all of you. So, this is a message I can give. This is something different I see in all over the Philippines. You guys are very, very united. This is something new, really. For me, something new here. Because so many places I do charity rides and all the stuff. But this is something new. That's why I am putting on my video, because I want to show to the people. You guys are very united. I just want everyone to do the same thing. Like I mentioned in some of the vlogs, I mentioned that, you know, we can help so many Mahirap people. We are riders. We spend maybe 500 or 1,000 pesos every week for our just a ride. So in once a month, maybe we can keep 200 pesos for somebody that we can help. This is something very, I am very, touched that I didn't expect when Piscal told me that there is a charity rides. I was expecting like, the normal charity ride like I do. I do charity ride with my groups. We go to places and we help people. But not like this. This is something new. So whoever watching, guys, this is for you guys. This is a message for you guys. Actually, this is how you guys do the charity. Really, this is something totally different. You can see how they united here. This is the power of the riders. It's not there is you having a big bike or small bike. Doesn't matter. As long as you riding a motorcycle and they unite, and this is something new. I never forget, guys. I will come back with my guys, with my group. We will help so many people like this. Also, I will ride with you guys, all of you. I will ride with you. No, not only just coming to meet you. I will ride with all of you. Whenever I am coming in next time, I will ask your organizers to put up a ride. Then I will ride with you guys, with my group, team. Yeah.
Ayos!
All of you. I will give you the riding tips. I will give you all the what I can give you the suggestion for safety riding tips. I will give you. So please wait for me for next month probably, because I cannot just come like this because sobrang ipit dito sa norte. So that's why I am always in south. I am helping people in Bicol, but I am planning to come. If pag maluwag na dito, I will come back and seeing you guys and riding with you. So what is this? Yeah, this is certificate for me. Thank you. This is also something new. So, thank you guys. Thank you for waiting for me, and thank you for your hospitality. I really appreciate it. I used to come here in the Ilocos so many times, but this is something new for me. So, besides that, I can just say that one. This is, guys. Okay. This is for the reminder for all of you guys, all the riders. I just want to say, please wear your proper gear. Okay, I know the law here in Ilocos, you have to wear all the time helmet, but not only helmet. You having a bike maybe 50,000 to up to 1 million or something. So the first thing what you have to do is you invest your money on the gear before buying a motorcycle. Okay, because whatever happened to the motorcycle we can fix. If something happened to you, you will be paralyzed for your whole life. There is no riding. You can just watch the videos only. You will be in it. So better we invest first our money to the riding gear before putting money for the motorcycle. Before modification your motorcycle, you buying a modification for your motorcycle, you invest your money for your riding gear. First priority goes safety first. Next time when I come here, you guys can, all of you, I will come all the places, different places, I will come and I will put a ride. For each day maybe 2 rides, 3 rides. You suggest a place, I will ride with you. But make sure everybody wearing the proper gear. Not only, the jersey will just, it's not forma. Walang forma dito eh. Pangit ito. Pag suot ka ng yung riding gear, ibang forma. Ibang forma, rider, diba? Ibang forma talaga. So sabi nyo, so mainit, mga riding gear, mainit. Kundi lang eh, baka ilan oras kayo ng mga biyahe, 2 hours, 3 hours, okay lang yan. Pero pag disgrasya kayo, pag accident kayo, hindi kayo mahirapan sa buong buhay, di ba? Oh, yung 3 hours save your life. So better invest your money on the riding gear, and I will be coming back and giving you some riding tips, because all of you asking me how to ride a motorcycle and how this is how you do, this is how you do. Because I don't want to put it on my videos, because there are so many riding schools are here. I support the local business all the time. So when I am putting so many things on my videos, those riding schools will be bankrupt. So I don't want that one, because I always support charities, I always support the local businesses. So I will give you the tips when I am riding with you. I will change your riding styles. So thank you guys, thank you for inviting me. It's an honor. You guys are amazing. Trust me, you guys are something else. You guys are amazing. More power to Ilocos riders. More power guys, more power. Thank you for inviting. Thank you.
Thank you sir, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yung tingarat, kapagkan nyo mga sir, mga ma'am. Ang dami nyo.
Master Don, at hindi papasdahan na tayo, Master.
Shout out sa inyo mga sir, mga ma'am. Yun, Team Kamsat. Power Riders Ilocanja, San Ildefonso chapter, ayun. Ayun, shoutout sa inyo, mga kapatid. So ayun guys, nandito na yung sticker ko. So sa mga gustong magpagawa ng sticker, siya po siya. Si Sir Mark Marsan Benavides, yun. Maraming salamat sa sponsor. May sponsor siya. Ayun. Ayun.
So, subscribe kayo sa channel niya guys. Mag-support. Magaling na tao, mabait. Babaero.
Yun. Thank you sir. Thank you. So ayun guys. Hanggang dito na lang yung vlog. Ayun, isa na namang successful na charity. Ayun, with featuring napakalupit na guests. Ayun, so hanggang dito na lang. Salamat sa panonood. Ayun. Salute nga pala sa mga organizers ng charity na yun. Ayun. Napakalupit. So maraming salamat sa panonood.